This is the MonDak OilField Review with host Jason Spees.
My name is Jason Spees, and this is the MonDak OilField Review, heard on the Crude Life Media Network. Today we talk with Vicki Schmidt with Schmidt & Associates about the current drugs being used in the black market and how companies are testing their employees. In just a moment, our exclusive interview with Vicki Schmidt with Schmidt & Associates right here on the MonDak OilField Review. And that was what I was going to ask you. In the Bakken, that was the push, was
pre-employment.
Oil and gas companies, oil service companies, DOT affiliated companies were really pushing for that hair follicle test.
It's because if you have a hair on your body,
anywhere,
I'm going to be able to test it, and I get a 90-day window. Well, if I get a negative test result back from that, I can confidently assure you that that's not an abuser. Yeah, he might have used once during that 90 days, but he is not an abuser that's using regularly because he would have failed the test. So it gives him that bigger window of, yep, I know he didn't just cheat me on this test.
Is there any way to cheat the test?
Oh,
now,
heavens, yes.
You know, the Minnesota Vikings with the Whizzinator.
That's old news now.
Okay. How about bleaching of the hair and some other Google searches I did?
So, if you bleach your hair, all right, so for lack of, if you imagine a pencil and the lead that goes through the center of the pencil, just imagine that pencil is each strand of hair.
Okay.
That lead is the blood that flows through your hair, which makes your hair healthy. When you have split ends at the end of your hair, it's because it's dead. There's no more blood flowing through there, okay? So when we collect a hair sample, we actually collect the hair, send it to the laboratory, and they test the follicle as well as the blood flowing through the center.
The casing is fine, but it's the lead that tells the story.
Right.
Okay.
Because when they get it at the laboratory, they wash it. So shampoos, conditioners, dyes, everything's stripped from the outside. So when you bleach your hair, unless you can fix that blood, have a good day.
So that'd get flagged and they'd throw it out.
The bleach would be stripped off before they test it.
Sure, okay.
So they're realistically probably still going to fail.
Which one is probably the most accurate?
Hair testing probably, because it's hard to cheat.
To listen to the full-length interview with Vicki Schmidt of Schmidt & Associates, or to listen to other MonDak OilField reviews, visit thecrudelife.com. That's thecrudelife.com. The MonDak OilField Review is part of the Crude Life Media Network. Check us out on Facebook and Twitter. All those social media links are available at thecrudelife.com. That's thecrudelife.com. From the staff of the MonDak OilField Review, my name is Jason Spees, asking you to be happy, be safe, and keep it turning to the right. It seems everywhere I go these days, someone is telling me about the success of Hatch coaching. Listen to what professional speaker Mark J. Lindquist has to say.
He is a person in this market and now in markets across the country with Hatch coaching that is revolutionizing the way people approach the business. He's reinventing the way people look at the people model. That's why he brings in hundreds of people from all over the country who are trying to figure out how to do what he's doing in their market.
For more information, call 701-212-1572 or visit coachingwithhatch.com. That's coachingwithhatch.com.